it's me again. Today I'm going to show you how to make the double crochet. From the previous videos I have showed to you how to make the single crochet and then half double crochet. If you have forgotten how to do that, please go through again to my video, and then here I will show it to you the difference between the 3 stitches. So you remember the first one I show it to you, the single crochet. This is how the single crochet look like, and then the second one is the half double crochet, and then the third one, which I'm going to show it to you today, how to make this double crochet. Okay, so as you can see, it's it's increasing the size and then becoming bigger and bigger. Single crochet, half double crochet, and then double crochet. Okay, so get ready with your yarn, and then I'll show it to you how to start how to do the double crochet. As usual, make your slip knot, insert your hook, like that, insert your hook, and then you do the chains. And then for the chains, you for today I'm going to do the 15 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Allow me to remind you again that for the single crochet you skip 1 chain, and then you start working on the second chains from the hook. Okay, now half double crochet, you skip number 1, number 2, and then you start working on the third chain from the hook. Now for this double crochet, we're going to start working from the number 4 chains from the hook, meaning that we skip the 3 chains, 1 2 and 3, and you start working to the 4th chains from the hook. Similar to the half double crochet, so you grab your yarn first and then make sure that you have 2 loops on the hook. Insert your hook, yarn it over, and make sure you have the 3 loops exactly as the half double crochet. What makes the difference is for the half double crochet you insert and then pull it through all the 3 loops, right? Now for this time, let me repeat so you will see the difference. Insert your hook to the 4 chains from the hook, yarn it over, and make sure you have the 3 loops, and yarn it over to the first 2 loops and then the second 2 loop. So this is your first double crochet, and then the first 3 chains that we have skipped, it's counted as the first double crochet here. So this is number 1, and then this is number 2. Okay, let me repeat. So grab your yarn, make sure you have 2 loops on the hooks, insert your hook to this stitch, yarn it over, and make sure you have the 3 loops, yarn over for the first 2 loops, and yarn over to the second loop. Okay, and you repeat the process until the end. So 3 loops on the hooks, yarn over the first 2 loops, and then yarn over the second 2 loops. Now you have 4 double crochet. Okay, and repeat until the end. And I'll show it to you again for the last 2 stitches. Okay, so this is the last 2 stitches that I have. I will repeat it again how to do the double crochet. Yarn over your yarn over and make sure that you have the 2 loops on your hooks, and then insert your hook to the stitch, to the chains, and then yarn it over and make sure you have the 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over for the first 2, and then again yarn over to the second 2 loops, and you're done with the double crochet. I will repeat one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over the first 2, and then the second 2. So this is your double crochet on the first row look like. So you wanted to count how many stitches that you have in the first row. So the first 3 chains that you have skipped, you counted as first double crochet, and then this is the second and the third, the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and then 13. So you have the 13 chains of double crochet on the first row. So you wanted to make sure that the next rows that you're going to make also having the same exact number of the 13 double crochet. So you will work, your work will be in line and then straight. You are having the straight line either from the right or the left side. Okay, and I'll continue doing so. So to make the second rows, if single crochet, you do it chains 1, and then half double crochet you chains 2, which is 1 and 2, and then for this double crochet you chains 3 on each beginning. So you have 1, 2, and then 3 chains on each beginning of your double crochet, and you turn your work. Now you will start working on the wrong side, almost the same as the half double crochet. You do not do the chains on the first one, you skip it, and then you make double crochet from the second one. It's because these first 3 chains you counted as first double crochet. Okay, so yarn over and then skip the first chains and then go to the second one, and then make sure you have the 3 loops. Yarn over for the first 2 and then yarn over the second 2, and repeat the process across until the end. Okay, right? So this is the last 2 chains. As usual, insert your hook, yarn over the first 2 and yarn over the second 2, and then again do not forget to make one more stitch on the top of the chain 3 that you did previously. So this is 1, 2, and then the third. You can't really see it because sometimes it's when you pull it too tight, then you will not notice that there is stitch there. However, it is there, so you still need to do the stitch on the top. Okay, like that. Yarn over the first 2, yarn over the second 2, and then you're done with the second rows of double crochet. So to ensure that you have done the right things, and then count it again. So this is number 1, this is the first double crochet from the chain 3 on the beginning, and then this is the second one, the third one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So you know you did it right. The first row was 13, and then now the second one also 13 double crochet. You repeat the process until the length that you wish, and then you can also start making your scarf project with this stitch, or placemat, or tablecloths, or any project that you wish. Okay, so again, chain 3, always chain 3 on the beginning, and then turn your work, and then skip the first one, and then go straight to the second one. Okay, like that. And the last 2 stitch, insert your hook, and do not forget, this is the 3 chains that we did on the beginning. So you don't do the stitch here, neither here, so you need to do the chains on the top, number 3rd of chains from here. So 1, 2, and 3, so you do chains here. Okay, I will do 1 more row, 1, 2, 3. Remember to always chain 3, and then turn your work, skip the first chains, and then do the second one. Okay, yarn over, make sure you have the 3 loop, and then first 2 loop, and then second 2 loops, and repeat the process until the end. You can even make a blanket using this stitch, even single crochet or half double crochet, or you may combine the 3 stitch in one blanket, so as a variation for the simple project. Okay, again the last 2, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over the first 2, and yarn over the last 2, and then insert your hook to the top of the chain 3 on the beginning. Yarn over the first 2 and yarn over the last 2, and you fasten off your work with the chain 1. Cut your yarn and then pull it through, put it tight. Okay, voila, here we go, your double crochet. And again, to make sure that you do it right, you're counting it the first 3 chain as double crochet, 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So this is how you do the double crochet. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question or doubt, don't hesitate to leave the comment. And then until I see you again, bye.